Hi, in this video I will show you how to register Coap 2022. First of all, search for Coap 2022 registration and then press here and then click on register button. In this blank you have to enter your registration number. Remember that enter your get registration number without paper code. And then in the second blank you have to enter your paper code. If you are from EC background, then write EC and then write your score and then your name and your date of birth. After that, press on validation button and then press OK. Here you fill your email ID and your phone number. And then press on submit to register button. Here you can see your details. Now click on complete registration. Now fill your user ID and password that has been sent to your email ID. Here you can also change your password. After changing your password, you can log in with your changed password. Here if you have any other valid score, then press yes. Otherwise press no. After that press submit button and then OK. Here you can see your Coap registration has been completed successfully. Thank you.